Ahoy there cruisers, welcome back to our transatlantic adventure on Independence of the Seas.
I met you in the summer, when you left it was cold, said we loved one another.
So you are watching Oscar Cam. Have you got a camera in your head?
Yeah.
Hi Oscar! Do you want to go on the slide? Nice and slowly, Oscar. You ready? Go! Woo! Yay! So guys, it's sea day number 1. As you can see, the ship is rocking quite a lot.
Good morning guys, welcome to another beautiful day here on the Independence of the Seas. It's our first of many sea days coming up. We've already had one before, but this is the first of the 8 in a row. This morning we kind of just chilled out really, because you know, it's quite nice to know you don't have to rush around to do everything. So we popped up to the pool, had a little swim, and then we came downstairs and we're going to have a wander on the ship before lunch. It's 11:45 now, and on Royal Caribbean they do the time change midday, which is a little bit strange really, because the other cruises have done it over the night. So it's actually 1:45 in the afternoon, so you just have to keep remembering that, because it really does eat up your day really. Yeah, so we're going to have a wander on the ship and pop to the front, so come along with us.
Let's get some nice shots.
Get some nice shots.
Let's go.
The first of the voyage to England. Whoa guys, we've got a little bit of motion in the ocean today. We are really going for it, we are really swaying.
Guys, at the very front of the ship, there's the helicopter pad.
It's really nice at the front here.
It's lovely, isn't it?
Like, you could literally just lay here all day and read a book. Oh my gosh guys, look at that view though.
What view?
This is all we're going to see now for the next 8 days.
Pure...
Just nothing.
Pure sea?
Pure sea, absolutely nothing.
Gorgeous. Love it. Absolutely love it. It's a tad breezy. It's very windy, but awesome. Woo. Jack! Yes, Rose. Do, do, do. There's my Titanic moment, guys. That's it. That's all you're getting.
It's time to head for the buffet for lunch.
So good, the buffet. Guys, the buffet is awesome. We're absolutely loving it.
I got basically exactly the same as what you got.
Got pesto pasta, some noodles and some roast pork.
These noodles are super spicy though.
Are they? Oh,
yeah,
nice.
they're really nice. And that pasta is absolutely delicious.
Awesome.
Really good buffet. Lunch was really, really good. The buffet has been excellent every single time we've been in here. So, yeah, thumbs up.
After a yummy lunch, we head to the Royal Promenade. The Coke freestyle machines are amazing. So you get given this cup at the beginning of your cruise if you've got a drinks package or the soda package, you'd get one of these. And anything up from there you'd get as well. You just go to one of the freestyle machines and legitimately you can get about 50,000 different types of drinks. So I've got Diet Coke with raspberry. It's delicious, but you can get Gatorade, Minute Maid, loads of ginger ales, cream sodas, all Dr. Peppers, Coke, Sprites, Fantas. It's amazing, literally at a touch of a button.
It's good, isn't it?
It's really good, so you literally just pop your cup and it senses it. You must have like a sensor inside.
Yeah, and
but
also you, even if you don't have a drinks package guys, you can use these Coke freestyle machines for water and ice. So if you don't have a drinks package, you can just fill up your water bottles there as well.
So good. Love it.
And what we're doing now?
So we're going to play some games of cards just in the pub, in the Ale and Anchor pub on the promenade, and we're just going to chill out, go see some shows later on, yeah, and just have a nice chill out day.
Is that raspberry? I can smell it from here.
Ooh.
Is it nice?
Is it nice?
It's really good, yeah, it's really nice.
And what's the game, Steve?
A Skull King. It's a trick-taking game, it's like trumps.
Did you put on the fire?
Steve was the winner, he thrashed us all.
Oh, of course.
But considering it was our first go, we didn't all do too bad. So
second.
Ben came second, yeah.
Joint second with Sophie.
So Steve's brought loads of like little games, sort of like little card games. How many did you bring, Steve?
About 20.
So he brought 20 games, he fit them all in his box.
Yeah.
so super handy for a cruise because then you don't have to pack loads. There's no lack of places to find live entertainment on NDP.
So guys, we're sat in one of the lounges. It's called the Star Lounge and it's right at the front of the ship. I've got to say, there's live music just about everywhere, which is fantastic. And these lounges are so quiet. I can't believe how quiet they are. We've never seen anything like it. We've just came off the promenade where we were sat in the pub and there was live music there. Then here there's live music as well. It's really good. There's somewhere for everybody to sit as well. We love the Star Lounge. It's right at the front of the ship, just below the theatre, above the theatre. And it's always super quiet, super cool. And the bar person here is amazing. She's been really incredible. She's super fast and gets us our drinks and she knows what we want before we order. So thumbs up. So soon we're going to go up to the room to get ready. David's just popped up to the gym to do some workout for half an hour. How good is he? I can't do it. I'm just sat here having a beer. It's not good, is it? But yeah, so we're going to go see Grease the Musical, which is the featured West End show aboard Independence of the Sea. I'm really looking forward to seeing it. It's a brand new cast and it's their first ever show in front of the audience, so it's going to be awesome. So yeah, and it's formal night as well, so we'll be getting dressed up. Then we're going to head out to Johnny Rockets to get some delicious burgers and milkshakes. Are you ready for formal night, Oscar?
Yes.
Yes, are you excited? Yes. Are we going to see Grease?
Yes.
Is it your favourite show?
Yes.
Yeah. So we've just back from Greece and it was fantastic. It was an absolutely amazing production.
Really good. Sorry we didn't take you along, guys, but unfortunately they're very, very strict that you're not allowed to film anything in there, so we left you in the room. But
so yeah, so we're going down to Johnny Rockets now, or Stephen keeps calling it Johnny Rockers.
Is it not Johnny Rockers?
No, it's Johnny Rockets.
I keep calling it Johnny Rockers. Hey,
Johnny Rockers.
We're totally keeping in with the 50s theme now, aren't we?
We are, yeah.
Shall I do my collar up? Is that a 50s
do your
theme?
collar up, it's the 50s. So yeah, so we're going to try it. It's $9.95 per person, and we get milkshakes and things free on our deluxe beverage package anyway, so we're going to go head up there now. I'm starving.
Me too, I'm really hungry. And we chose Johnny Rockets because...
Johnny Rockers.
We were too late for the main dining room.
We just fancy burgers.
And we just fancy burgers.
And we haven't been there before.
We didn't fancy the Winger Manja, so...
Winger Manja. So let's go.
So yeah, the guys are just getting changed as well because, you know, the thing is, formal night's nice, but it's so darn uncomfortable. And we've still got Caribbean weather going on, haven't we?
Yeah.
So we wanted to feel comfortable for Johnny Rockets because we're going to eat a lot of food. First sea day has been good. There's been lots and lots going on. Really, really impressed with how much entertainment's been going on. There's literally been something starting every 30 minutes. Lots of quizzes, lots of live music, and lots of opportunities just to chill out around the pool. And yeah, really impressed so far. So thumbs up, Royal. So each evening around the pool they'll show a movie. Tonight they're showing Creed 2 or 3? Not too sure. 2, Creed 2. It's really cool as well because they keep the back hot tub open, so you can be sat in the hot tub watching a film, and the bar's also open as well. So you can enjoy movies under the stars.
It's awesome, isn't it?
It's really cool.
You want food? So do I.
You sit there with us.
Starving.
There's a choice of burgers, melts, hot dogs, chili cheese dogs, all sorts really. We've heard the the onion rings are really good. They're a must as well. So yeah, you can choose as much as you like for just a set fee of $9.95. Not too bad. And if you have the drinks package, all the drinks are included as well.
Look at this menu, guys. So there's loads of starters, hamburgers, hot dogs, sandwiches. It's a family-friendly menu that offers all-American good eats, and you'll feel like you've stepped back in time to the 50s. I've ordered onion rings to start with, and then the double smokehouse. It sounds so delicious. We've got some a salad to share as well, don't we? What did you get?
It's got a nice little side salad with deep fried chicken on the side.
And all right.
And
not that
onion rings
healthy.
and fries, and I got the classic burger. So, cheers!
Cheers, guys! This looks so good. So we've got some normal fries and some onion rings. The batter on these onion rings looks awesome. Can't wait to try it.
What do you think?
Wow, look at that, guys. Isn't that look delicious? Wow.
What did you get,
Oscar?
The rocket double.
Rocket double.
Right, Oscar, do you want me to squeeze this together for you?
So I got the classic burger, or the original, sorry, which is just the original burger with lettuce, tomato, gherkins, cheese.
There you go, sweetie.
And guys, I got the Smokehouse Burger. How good does that look? If I could have smell-o-vision, you would be in heaven right now. We've also got the chicken salad as well.
That salad, it doesn't look much, but it's absolutely delicious.
It's so good.
It's really good. Like I got it and I was a little bit like, doesn't look as good as I thought it would. But when you actually tuck in, it is amazing. I could actually order another one right now, and you can as well. You can order as much as you like.
Oh, in one bite as well, David. Well done.
Sorry, I had a ton of meat in my mouth.
That's what she said. This is an absolute monster. Look at that. I don't know how I'm going to fit it in my mouth. I shall try. Look at that, Oscar.
Thank you so much.
Thank you very much.
Good evening, guys. So we've made it back to our room. I'd say made it like it was a trek. We've had a nice stroll back to our room after Johnny Rockets. So what did we think of Johnny Rockets? Well, I think for us it was actually a little bit of a disappointment, to be honest. So we found the burger. It looked good at first, and it just tasted a bit meh. The actual patty wasn't that great, to be honest. It was quite fatty. The sides again were disappointing. The fries were actually completely tasteless, and the onion rings were actually lovely as well. The salad again was nice, but I think when we're comparing it to the main dining room and the buffet, which has been so fantastic on this cruise, we found that they're actually better than Johnny Rockets, which you're paying $10 for. So would we pay for it again? I don't think we would. When you're comparing it again to like Giovanni's table was a million miles better. So unfortunately, Johnny Rockets, a disappointment for us this evening. Well, that's it for us today. We're going to hit the hay now, and we've got 7 sea days coming up. So make sure you subscribe to our channel right now, because we have so much more coming up. We've got the laser tag, we've got the floor rider, climbing walls, ice skating, silent disco. There's lots and lots going on that we don't want you to miss. So subscribe to our channel right now. And make sure you follow us on Instagram, instagram.com/cruisewith. We're posting Instagram stories all the time, as well as some fantastic photos. So that's it for this evening. Until next time, happy cruising. If you liked this video and you want to see more of them, please support us on Patreon, and in return you get lots of rewards.
A special thanks to our Chief Engineer patrons and our Cruise Captain of the Month, Tris. Join us next time when we continue our journey across the Atlantic. There's more fun, good food and entertainment, so please hit that subscribe button. Until next time, happy cruising!